Hey guys, it's Jody with ReloadYourGear.com, and today we're going to be reviewing the Vortex Sparc AR. It's a sealed red dot sight that balances function and value. Gen 2 Sparc AR offers quick target acquisition, long battery life, and lightweight in a small package. The 2 MOA dot is small enough for accurate shooting and also quick for close quarters. Here's how it stacks up against competitors. There are plenty of options for the competition, from value to high-end. The Strike Fire wins the battery life, while the Holosun's Shake Awake feature is a really nice bonus to grab and go quickly. There are plenty of illumination settings, with 2 designed for night vision support. You shouldn't have any trouble with adequate brightness on a clear day. With a 5-year battery life in the middle setting, you won't have to worry about getting surprised by a dead battery very often. I appreciate the auto off, but a shake awake feature like on the Holosun would be a really nice addition. The Parallax isn't noticeable at all, even at close ranges. As you might expect for a red dot sight, the eye relief is effectively infinite, so you can really play around with mounting options way out front on your gun if you like a really open sight picture, with nothing blocking your peripheral vision. So what's the verdict? If you mostly shoot quickly and at short ranges, 1x red dot sight may be perfect for you. This is a good one, backed by a solid manufacturer with the lifetime warranty. If you want a cleaner look and aren't worried about fog, dirt, or dust, consider an open reflex sight like the Vortex Venom or Razor. And if you also shoot at longer ranges, an LPVO like the Vortex Strike Eagle is a good option for accuracy beyond 100 yards.